it's a blast, man. This is so much fun. As I said when we were speaking earlier, every major life change that we've made in our life has been at an event. And so I really value coming to events, being active and participating, and so much fun with the dancing. I never have been to an event where we dance at the beginning of every session, so that's been a lot of fun. We've really enjoyed it. Oh, I love hearing all of them, but you know, John Sai was great. I love hearing him, even though he was virtual on screen, but he's just such a great dynamic speaker. I love listening to him. And I can't wait for the stories this afternoon. I think that's going to be a winner. Somebody who made $300,000 their very first year. I think that's killer. Can't believe it.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below. Get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.